This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Volkswagen Beetle. This happens to be a 1956 model. And what we're doing today is we are installing a dash cam. And this is the one right here. Blueskysea. And it's a model B1W. And here is some of the specs right there. Now this is a very small dash cam. I've got it mounted to the windshield. I think you can see it right in front of the rear view mirror. Now the reason that this dash cam is so small is that it does not have a screen to it. The rear view mirror on this vehicle is 5 inches wide, so it'll give you an idea of the size of it. Now, to control the dash cam, if you want to adjust your settings, is you put an app on your phone. It's in the owner's manual where to download it. So let's take a look at the app right now. Here is what the app looks like on the phone. You got a bunch of buttons over here: video playback, recording, photo snap. Now if we want to go in there and change some settings, we go right up here. Touch that. And you can see, if I get the glare out of there, video resolution 1080, video partition is at 1 minute. I don't like that. I want to change that to 5 minutes. So let's go. Let's go 5 minutes. Alright, let's go back. And it should be, there it is, 5 minutes. You can see that the time watermark is set. Sound recording is on. Video prompts when the unit starts up. Frequency 50 Hertz. Now this is US. This should be 60 Hertz. Huh. Okay. A little tweak in here. And of course this doesn't not have batteries. It has a capacitor. G sensors at low. Now what we did is when we first set it up, we synchronized our phone time, which what that did is it made the time, date, and everything correct. So you don't have to manually do it like some of the other dash cams. So that's a look at the app. Now let's look at the video. So that's my look at the Blueskysea B1W Dashcam.